these 9 dots. You click on these 9 dots and you slide. Once you slide, you see Google Meet. All right. So it's something similar to Zoom. Google Meet is similar to Zoom. It's just that it has different participants. So once you're here, if you want to create an instant call, you click on New Meeting. Okay. You click on New Meeting. Once you click on New Meeting, you can create your call. You click on New Meeting and instantly you can create your call. So now, once you click on New Meeting, do you want to schedule a call? If you want to schedule a call for like maybe a week later, we'll use schedule call in Google Calendar. If you want the meeting to be instant, you just click on instant. Once you click on instant, the call is created instantly. So in case you want to talk to somebody instantly, maybe your classmates or your workers or your workers in the office, you can just create a call instantly. So you just click host control. You click on this host control, and then if you want them to share their screen just like in Zoom, you can select it. But for the joining, can you see here we have trusted? If you click on trusted, that means people have to wait for you to admit them to join the call. For Zoom, you have to enable waiting room. But for Google Meet, all you need to do, if you want people to join without you admitting them, you click on open. You click on open and people can join your call. You click on open and people can join your call. And then once you're done, you copy the link and you share. Once you're joined, you copy the link and you share. So you can add people. You can add people to the call. Once you click on add people, you could add their email addresses and you've created your Google Meet call.